We've passed our pre-roof inspection. What happens next? The roof goes on. Usually. Hi, Len here. It was raining last week, so the roof's going on now, and we've already put our windows in and wrapped the place. Normally it's the other way around. Our next major inspection is pre-clad in 3 days' time. There's a whole bunch that needs to happen. We need to finish installing the weather line on front wall. The glaziers need to install the glass on the first floor windows. We need to install head flashings, install our entire cavities, install our soffits, and the Integra guys need to install their cavity. We've also got a few subcontractors coming in to start their thing inside as well. Timelines are getting a bit compressed, so we've got the stairs here. Roof's just gone on. You don't want your stairs in before you get your roof. Feet here and the unit behind me are the only ones we need to do at this stage. Those are raking that are a little bit trickier than straight ones. You can't use a level to go across because if you get slightly left or right, then it doesn't look level. So we just take a parallel measurement to the top of the groove where the soffit slots in. 22 and mark that here. 24 here. When I'm setting up a soffit like this, I'm a little bit OCD about trying to make sure that the joints on each side are in the same position. 15 over. The reason I need to put these in is because it's 600mm wide, so anything under 450 you don't need to nail the centre of your sheets. Anything over 600 then you're nailing every 200s I think it is, and the distance between them depends on your wind zone. Just spotted a missing truss bit sink, so before I go block that off with my ribbon board, I'll get Andrew to put on. Okay, you're gonna be famous. Oh. The way this works is our soffit comes down here and it needs to slot into this groove here. So we want to make sure, because it's going in at an angle, that this is just opened up a little bit so that we can slot it in easier. We don't have any soffit nails, so I'll nail them up tomorrow. Can you pass me up 9 of those cavity battens, please? So cavity battens need to be at 600s. We also need a solid batten across the top. We don't need castellated battens here because we're not putting any on horizontally. And we've got plastic closers this time, not the aluminium nonsense that we had at the other job. That's this side done. Now I have all the front to do. We can't do that, however, until we've got the feet up. Well, you can. If you've got the solid batten across the top, it's really hard to get your feet in and nail it off. Inspection day and first frost of the year. It's bloody cold. I went for a run this morning. It was about 6 degrees at home, but It's just freezing here. We're pretty much ready for pre-clad now. There's still a few little things. I've got to get this feet up later, but I'm by myself for a little while. So what I'm going to do is start getting ready to put the stairs in. Because now that the windows at the front are glazed, we can't get in off the scaff. So the stairwell's the only way in, and going up and down ladders is not ideal, especially for the subbies. So I need to cut a little bit out of the flooring upstairs so the stairs can sit on the joist up there and sit flush with the flooring. Up a touch more. Yep, I got it. Yep, it's not quite square. It's down. Oh, look at that. Time to get these soffits on, so before I start I just want to double check my measurements, go cut them to size and then slap them up there. Shouldn't take long.
I'll go in first.
Okay.
And if you bend it in the middle.
Yeah. Yep.
See? Doggy bell face.
Sweet, so up. About 2 hours to inspection. I'll carry on from down here, just have a 35-degree angle to match the pitch on the top one, shove it up there, nail it into place up here, I'll go along and just nail everything up there. It is hot, so it's gone from being 0 degrees to 20 degrees over the course of about 3 hours. Oh, might be a detailing mistake. Pre-clad inspection yesterday, so the boss and I are going fishing this morning. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Cheers.